There is nothing like the aroma of fresh Turkish breakfast. This is Ispit. It starts at the market. These wild wheats only appear a few weeks in spring. First we boil them until they are tender and ready for the pan. Now for the base, we are going to saute some onion and some oils. We are turning up the heat to get the perfect base. In goes our boiled ispit. It's going to soak up all the golden onion flavors. Mix it well. You want the earthy green and the sweet onions to become one. As we continue to stir, we let it sit for a while and cover the lid. It's time for the eggs. Yes, as I start breaking the eggs, and my little helper, my daughter, wanted to join the tradition and I couldn't break her heart. As you go in to check on your dish again, don't forget now for the soul of the dish, salt, a pinch of black pepper and a kick of chili flakes, and goes in our eggs. Yup, and my little chef, she's a natural. Look at her. We stir the eggs until everything is perfectly combined. One last simmer under the lid and those flavors lock in. Give it a final mix, heat off, and we are ready to eat. Pure spring comfort from the mountains to our table. As Turkish says, afiyet olsun, meaning bon appetit. See you around for my long version videos of cooking and life as usual. Thanks for watching and subscribe, don't be stingy with those. Bye.